Hey everybody! Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you all about Yaballe. It's a must-have tool for eBay dropshippers. Tons and tons of data, years of experience in this platform. I'm going to show you more right now. And if you're an eBay dropshipper, you need to listen up. You need to pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to do it the exact right way. And you probably already know this. Running an eBay dropshipping business, it requires a ton of attention, right? You got to pay attention to your products, to your pricing, your inventory, orders, tracking information, and of course, customer messages and support. That's a lot of different things. Yaballe Copilot brings those responsibilities together through one coordinated AI store manager, and it's super, super powerful. It's really a must-have, like I've been saying. And in this sponsored video, I'm going to show you what Copilot handles, how it works, and whether it makes sense for your eBay business. You're going to see how you're going to be able to jump right into the tool and have it make massive changes into the way that you run your eBay dropshipping business. You're going to fall in love with this tool. It's a true must-have. There are some pain points when it comes to running an eBay business. When you're doing dropshipping, right, sellers are going to have to frequently depend on things like spreadsheets, their own memory, notifications, emails, multiple disconnected tools to manage your daily operations, to run your business. And a missed stock change, a pricing problem, a tracking update, a customer message that gets missed, right? These could hurt your account health. They could ruin your business. They could damage your profit margins. And the workload becomes even harder to control as you start to scale up, right? More products, more suppliers, more daily orders. You need a solution here. And that solution is Yaballe. Highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder and I'm going to show you more. And you see the link directly below this video. It's an AI Copilot for eBay dropshipping. And the AI is literally going to turn data from thousands of sellers into product research, optimized listings, and smarter growth for your eBay store. It's an all-in-one system built on years of real eBay seller data and platform activity. It manages every critical part of the business: product research, listings, SEO, pricing, fulfillment, tracking, and store management, all in one system. It's trusted by thousands of eBay sellers, got a super high Trustpilot rating, literally all of the tools that you need right inside here. And you can find those winning products ASAP. There's AI product research. You could write listings that convert with a bulk AI listing optimizer. This makes a huge difference in your listings. You could list and manage at scale. We have a bulk lister in here, analytics, Vero Protector to make sure that your account is always in good standing as you scale. You could defend every dollar of margin with the smart repricer, make as much money as you can, and ship orders on autopilot, automatic fulfillment and tracking. I mean, literally this tool has it all. If you're an eBay dropshipper, that's why this is considered an absolute must-have, and we'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you more about this tool, why you're going to want to use it, of course, but you see the link directly below this video. All you need to do, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll literally be able to jump in, follow along step by step, and be inside of this account and really transform the way that you do eBay dropshipping. So let's go over the shoulder. The onboarding is super easy. Just follow along right here. I'm going to go over and put in what exactly brings you here. I want to scale my existing eBay store. Click next. You're going to see over here we have our different plans. Really just depends on how many listings you have, and if you're an advanced seller, you could even see your different volume discounts over here. We're going to go with growth. You have a 7-day free trial as well, so we'll click Start Free Trial to get on board. I entered in my payment details and I'm all good now, ready to go with my 7-day free trial, ready to start. Now what we want to do is actually connect our eBay account. And of course, if you don't have one, it's going to give you instruction in terms of how to open one. If you already have an account, of course, just come over here and click, yes, I have an eBay account. We're going to come over here. You'll select your eBay site. Let's say you're in the USA, of course, we'll select the first one, or you select your local eBay right over here. When we click that, we're going to now click proceed. This is going to allow us to make the connection here between the app and our eBay account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my eBay account right here. Now we're going to go and grant application access. You see right over here, this is kind of just the final step to get everything, especially the consent to share data between the app and eBay. So we'll go over here and click agree right over here in the agreement. Nothing technical that we need to do. We're now all set to go, and literally onboarding couldn't be any easier. We just make that connection with our eBay account. Remember, this is an all-in-one platform. You're going to be able to find, list, reprice, and fulfill eBay dropshipping products all here. And it doesn't matter if you have a brand new store, you could do a non-API MIP integration, or you could do that full feature integration like we had there. Really, really easy to do. I'm going to jump in now and come over here, and I'm going to show you how we find winning products. This is really, really powerful, really interesting, and it's something that you could probably do as soon as you open up the app, because this is really going to change the way you find businesses, because we're going to use the Find Products tool. And you see you have a bunch of different options. You'll be able to keep track of your credits right over here. We're going to come over and find a couple of products. Super simple. How many products do you want? You enter that in here. You select which product area you want to come, and we're going to now click Find. They're finding the best products right now, and literally the products are ready to go. But not only are they ready to go, we're going to be able to add them into our eBay shop super quickly and easily. So we'll go ahead and click Let's See. Super exciting here because we get to actually see the products that were found for us. I'm going to go over and click OK. Okay, we've got a couple of products right over here. So the Finder recommended the extension cable set, the snap lock punch tool, right? And we could even regenerate more with AI. Inside of the bulk lister, you could do a lot of powerful things, and you'll probably come over here and let's say you want to come and regenerate some of the details here. We'll click Regenerate with AI. You see that we're going to have our title pop up. And not only do we get to control that it gets revised, but we can give it a styling, right? Do we want it to be balanced, creative, precise? What kind of tone do we want? Right? Are we going for funny? Are we going for sellable? Do we want to optimize for social networks, right? Once we pick our options here, we'll click AI Revise, and the title will be revised here. So we have product listing in bulk, and we could also revise over here right inside of our bulk lister. You see, we've got that updated title name, and it's doing it right over here. Got it all done, ready to go. You see it right here. Okay, so the old one was a much longer title. You see we have our AI Revised icon right here, kind of just showing what's happening here. Again, we found these with the Finder Recommended section, and we have the ability to do our bulk lister edits and optimizations right in this section right here. But most importantly, we're going to come over and click List Items, right? We don't need to overcomplicate things. We want to get products from the app into our eBay store so we could start making sales and making money. All you need to do, press List Items right over here. Another really important tool right here, the Repricer. The Repricer continuously scans sources for price and stock changes based on Yabale's source filters, and you can do things like seller shipping time, feedback metrics, FBA status, and it automatically updates the price and quantity of eBay listings 24/7. Basically, whenever a change is detected at the source, even when you're asleep, it literally works for you automatically. Really allows you to make the most amount of money that you can, and you could even do this in bulk here, where you select multiple products and you're able to do bulk repricing. You could set desired profit percentage, break-even percentage. You could set quantities. You have all of these different options. You could do them individually or apply in bulk. So if you think that repricing on eBay is a big time constraint, well, guess what? You could do it with this tool in literally just a few clicks ASAP. In the orders section, of course, you'll see all of your orders in here coming over directly from eBay. You'll see it all in this one big list. And this is where you'll have automatic order fulfillment. This is really great because your products can get fulfilled automatically as soon as the orders come in, making this an automated fulfillment setup. Then I also want to show you Kai. You see up over here, it's the AI assistant, and it could literally help you with support and analysis all across your eBay account. You could find opportunities as well. It's in beta right now, but it's really, really powerful. You literally just need to chat with it just like any other chat agent, and it's going to give you tons and tons of support with your eBay business. So there you go. Super easy to use, but also super, super powerful. It's highly recommended. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, again, highly recommended. Click the link below this video. Jump right in. You saw exactly how to do it and how it's going to transform your eBay dropshipping business. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great e-com videos. And most importantly, I'll see ya in my next video.